What if I told you a simple fish could change modern medicine and be worth more than gold? Meet the Sowa fish, nature's unexpected genius. It looks ordinary. Silver scales, calm eyes, nothing remarkable at first glance. But beneath those scales hides a secret that sparked both greed and discovery. For years, local fishermen caught the Sowa fish without knowing its true value, until someone realized what made it priceless wasn't its meat, but a thin organ hidden inside the swim bladder. That single membrane, light as silk, could fetch $25,000 for just 40 kilograms. Smugglers risked their lives to get it, calling it the treasure of the sea. But behind the crime, science found something remarkable. That membrane wasn't just rare, it was biological gold. Pure, ultra-strong collagen. That collagen became the foundation of something life-saving, used in surgical sutures, tissue repair membranes, and regenerative scaffolds that help organs heal themselves. No factory can match what this fish makes naturally. Even the best labs on Earth struggle to recreate its purity and strength. From ocean waves to operating rooms, the Sowa fish became an unsung hero, a creature whose hidden gift heals humans every single day. But as its worth grew, greed followed. Overfishing and smuggling pushed the Sowa toward extinction. A healer, nearly destroyed by human hands. Today, conservationists fight to protect what's left, to remind us that nature's solutions can vanish if we don't protect them. The Sowa fish taught us that the answers to our most advanced problems might already exist, hidden quietly beneath the waves. If nature can teach us how to heal, what other secrets is it still keeping from us? Stay tuned. This is just the beginning. Discover more in our playlist, What Humans Learned from Animals.